Car seat stuck? Fix your power seat adjuster in minutes. The cause depends on whether your seat is a power, electric, or manual adjustment system. A car seat adjuster stops working due to mechanical problems, like a worn-out motor or an obstruction in the seat tracks. Common causes and troubleshooting for power seats. Blown fuse. This is one of the most common and easiest problems to fix. The fuse protects the circuit, and a power surge can cause it to blow. Troubleshooting. Check your vehicle's owner's manual for the location of the fuse box, often under the hood or near the brake pedal, and inspect the power seat fuse. If it's blown, replacing it may restore function, but a short in the wiring might cause the new one to blow as well. Faulty switch. The control switch on the side of the seat gets frequent use and its internal contacts can wear out. Troubleshooting. If other seat functions, e.g., lumbar, recline, still work but a specific direction doesn't, the switch for that direction may be the issue. If no functions work, it could be a wiring issue or a main connector problem under the seat. Worn or burned out motor. The electric motor responsible for moving the seat can fail over time. Troubleshooting. If you hear a clicking, humming, or grinding noise when you press the switch, the motor may be struggling or seized. Often, individual motors are not sold separately, requiring replacement of the entire seat track assembly. Wiring issues. Wires or the main wiring harness located under the seat can become loose, damaged, or disconnected due to vibration and movement. Troubleshooting. Inspect the area under the seat to ensure all connectors are securely plugged in and there are no frayed or broken wires. Control module issues. In some modern cars, a faulty seat control module or memory module can cause issues, especially after a power loss like a battery replacement. For more complex electrical diagnoses, a test light or multimeter is often required to test the voltage and continuity of the components. In many cases, professional diagnosis is recommended for safety-related components like seat mechanisms.